Kia ora koutou nau mai hoki mai, te kaupapa Kiimai 5 with kiimaimaori Aoitepö te Umuariki here, and a big mihi nui kia koutou katoa. Kia ora for all the api, the kōrero and the tautoko of the channel and different things, and the people joining up to do our 10-week Māori language workout with me that's coming up. And wherever it is for you today when you get this, we'll be starting on Monday. So you're probably going to get this tomorrow, Friday. Probably going to get this on Friday, so you've got a couple of days to get your heads up and get your notebook sorted. And that's all it's going to take, Whànau, just a little bit. There's two ways you could do it. You could do it a little bit each day, he iti he pounamu, or if you don't get time for that, you could look at it at the end of the week. And if you don't know, if you're getting this video and you don't know where to go or what to do, I think the place to go to is to this 5-day heads up pre-workout, all about what we're going to be doing in this longer workout. So I think I'll just talk to the days, because there's a little bit for each day. Same as your workout, you might be doing upper, lower, and all those different things, all those different aspects to strengthen your workout, your tinana, or your reo. And in this case, we're working on the reo, a plan for the reo rangatira. Okay, so we'll start off with Monday, te rāhina. On a Monday, every day, I'll put up a little clip, just a little wee one, a little 2-minute one. And in that 2-minute clip, you'll get your daily dose, your daily workout. So on a Monday, it'll be some kupu. And like anything, any workout, we're going to start out slowly and progress as the weeks go along, okay? So when you first say, oh, that's not much, and say, no, it isn't. But you've got all day to work on that. It might be only a few little words. It will be only, and to start with, it's only going to be some particles and some prefixes and suffixes, somewhere to start. Okay, so you get that on the first day. All I want you to do, if you can, is write that in your notebooks. It'll be on the screen for you. It'll be short and sweet. I'll be short and sweet as always. And put that in your notebook. Think about it. Add to it. It's your notebook. Do what you want to do with it. Don't just leave it sitting there, or don't just leave it on my screen here. Write it in the book. And as one kaiako told me, take that mana off the paper and then put it on the book, put it in your book, and then put it in here. Rā Tuesday, same thing again, little short clip in the morning, something for you to think about all day, and that will be a, excuse me, a kiwaha, so a saying or idiom. And for those of us who don't know what those are, over the weeks we'll grow, and you'll grow your knowledge of what they are. Ka pai, and just think, by the end of 10 weeks, you'll have 10 of those, 10 of those, 10 of those, and 10 of those, and say, yeah, I've got a 10-pack. Whoops. Ka pai, Wednesday, te rā tū, yep, te rā apa. We'll be taking what you got on Monday, and also that kiwaha, and then adding a little sentence structures. We'll be using what we got on Monday and just putting in a little bit. Hey, come on, let's face it, it's only a little workout, but you take that, put it in your notebook, and I want you to add to it. Don't just want you to leave it there. Add to the comments for me to give me some feedback, but also add in your book and leave it in your mind all day. Go over it, practice what you've done over the 3 days, and just consolidate that. Okay? Rā pare, moving along. Yep, by rā pare, which is the Thursday, we'll be doing whakatauki. So you'll get to experience different whakatauki. Just little ones from me to get us started, but I want you to use your mind to start to think of other ones and elaborate on what we've been giving you there, okay? So add to it. You got a whole page there. Maybe take the one I gave you and see if you can find some similar ones that have a similar vein. And there's many ways to skin a cat and many ways to say things. So take the one I gave you and maybe come up with maybe 2 or 3 others to add to it and develop your own knowledge. Ka pai. Rā mere, on the Friday, hopefully, if I can always find one that fits, we'll do a waiata kinaki. So just another short waiata, but to support what we did throughout the week. And I want you to start thinking like that, whānau. So when you do something, everything supports itself. Ka pai. And then on the Saturday, te rā horoi, I've called it, rest and recovery. Yes, so those of you who couldn't do the workout during the week, I'll put out another clip on a Saturday with the whole week together but it will look different from the ones that you got during the week. So I really encourage you to look at the ones that you get during the week, because I like this. They're short and sweet and concise and to the point. And then I want you to be focused. Focus on your technique and focus on what's going on there, okay? And then when you get the one on Saturday, you'll see why they're different. And you'll get something out of both of them. And so in total, that'll be about a 10-minute clip, because it's got the 5 2-minute clips there. Cool whānau. And then on Sunday, te rā tapu, we're going to have the Kiimai live. And that's been, for me, that's a commitment for me to try and do live. But what that's also about is working with, let's say, the community, or in our kupu, the whānau, so I can work with you. We're not going to have a class as such, but we're going to talk to the different things throughout the week and have a kōrero on a Sunday, on a rā tapu at 8 p.m. And I invite you to join me there. The only other thing to remind you too, whānau, is all those clips, they won't be on the Facebook, only because it's easier for me to do it on the YouTube. So that's why I've been inviting everyone to go there. I'm not trying to take people off Facebook or that. It's just that it works easier for me there, and you guys. So you'll be able to find the things in a chronological and in an order. But whereas on Facebook, it's like, where is that one? Where is it? Whānau, I think that's about it. There's probably a whole lot of other things, but you know, maybe I'll think about them later, or you can contact me. But it's all there. We're going to start in a couple of days. I look forward to it. If the Karakia Challenge was anything to go by, I'm looking forward to this 10-week Kiimai 5 workout with you guys. Thinking, aha ko he iti he pounamu, even though if it's a little bit, it's something, and it's going to build and grow your reo. I'm going to leave it at that. We're looking at about 7 minutes here. That's a minute for each day, just a nice little workout. I'll leave you my best wishes, my aroha to you and your whānau. Thanks for all the feedback. I'll see you out there. Rāhina. Yeah, and why am I starting then? Because it's Waitangi next week, and I know you want to have a holiday, but no, we're starting. We're going to start on Monday, on Te Rāhina, first thing in the morning. I'll see you there, whānau. Take care, and as it says, kiimaimaori Aoitepö, celebrate your absolute uniqueness, 24/7 whānau. Mā te wā, hu, mauri ora, hui.